Hi children, in the previous class we have discussed about the elements in 1 to 30 elements present in the periodic table. Okay, now we are going to discuss their electronic configuration and atomic weight. Okay, first element in present in our periodic table is hydrogen. Okay, the symbol of hydrogen we know that H. The atomic weight is 1. Atomic weight is 1. And the electronic configuration is 1s1. Electronic configuration is 1s1. Second one, helium. Okay, the second element is helium. It is He. The atomic weight is 4. The electronic configuration is 1s2. Okay. Here helium is the stable electronic. Helium is a inert gas element. Okay, it has a stable electronic configuration. We know that s orbital has the capacity only 2 electrons. So here the s orbital is completely filled. The s orbital is completely filled. Next third one, lithium. Okay, the same Li. Okay, and the atomic weight is 7. Atomic weight is 7. The electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s1. 1s2, 2s1. Next, fourth one, beryllium. Be. Beryllium, Be. Okay, is 9. 1s2, 2s2. 1s2, 2s2. Next one, boron. B. 11. 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Sixth one, carbon. C. 12. 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Next one, nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen is N. 14. 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. The electron configuration is 2p3. Next, eighth one, oxygen. O. 16. Atomic weight is 16. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Here hydrogen symbol is H. Helium, He. Lithium, Li. Beryllium, Be. Boron, B. Carbon, C. It is the symbols. These are the symbols of the elements. Okay. Nitrogen N. Oxygen O. Atomic weight of hydrogen is 1. Helium 4. Lithium 7. Beryllium 9. Boron 11. Carbon 12. Nitrogen 14. Oxygen 16. And the electron configuration 1s1, 1s2, 1s2, 2s1. Okay. Here. Ninth one, fluorine. Ninth one is fluorine. Symbol is F. Okay. Atomic weight is 19. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. 10th one, neon. Neon symbol is Ne. Atomic weight is 20. Configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Here neon is also has a stable electronic configuration. It is also one of the noble gas and inert gas element. Okay. Here Ne is a stable because it has completely filled orbitals. It has completely filled orbitals. Next one, sodium. Electronic configuration and atomic weight 23. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Next one, magnesium, Mg, 24. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. Next, aluminium. Aluminium symbol is Al. One s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. Silicon, Sn. Three P two. Next, phosphorus, P. 31. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p3. See, the fluorine symbol is F and atomic weight is 90. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. For neon, Ne 20. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. For sodium, Na 23. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Magnesium, Mg. Aluminium, Al. Silicon, Si. Phosphorus, P. And electronic configuration also same. According to Moyle diagram, we are giving the electronic configuration. Okay, according to Moyle diagram. Okay, I will show the Moyle diagram. 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s, 2p, 3p, 4p, 5p, 6p and 7p. Okay. 3d, 4d, 5d, 6d, 4f and 5f. First, the electron will enter into the 1s orbital. After completing of 1s orbital, they enter into the 2s orbital. Okay. After that, again next into 2p. Next 3s. After 3s, here the electron configuration. First 1s orbital, next 2s orbital, next 2p, 3s, 3s after 4s. Okay, 4s after 3p, 3p after 3d, 3d after 5s. See here. The Moyle diagram. According to this diagram, the electronic configuration. First, we are filling the 1s orbital. Next, 2s orbital. Next, 2p. Next, 3s. 3s after 4s. 4s after 3p. Okay. Here we are giving the electronic configuration. Atomic element number is 2. Okay. Then 2 into 2, 4. For even numbers. For odd numbers, suppose if you are having for lithium 3, atomic number 3 into 2 plus 1. Okay. Next 4 into 2. Next 5 into 2 plus 1. Okay. For even numbers, we are multiplying with 2. Only we have to multiply with 2. For odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, we have to multiply with 2 plus 1 we are adding. Okay, then when we are doing the, for carbon we are taking carbon 6. So the atomic, how we are calculating atomic weight? 6 into 2. Okay, it is 12. 6 into 2, 12. The atomic weight is 12. Okay, for sodium 11. 11 into 2, 22 plus sodium, since 11 is the odd number, 22 plus 1 is 23. So we can calculate the atomic weight in this process. Okay, for even numbers like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, just multiply with 2. We are getting the atomic weight. For even odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We have to multiply with 2 plus 1. Okay, we will get the atomic weight.